Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off location on iPhone photos. If you are using an iPhone and your photos has been tagged with your location, so let's see how can you solve it. First you have to open your Photos app, and here just select photos. Here you can see the location has been tagged. You just have to tap on three dots in the top right corner, then select adjust location, and here you have to remove the location and then tap on revert. And here you can see the location has been unchecked. Now if you want to turn off it completely, so for this you have to disable setting. First you have to open your phone settings, and this you have to look for privacy and security. Here's that, tap on it. Here's location services, tap on it, and here go for camera, and then you have to select never. Just select it, and if you want what to disable it permanently, so for some time you can disable your location services, then tap on turn off, and after doing this your location service will be turned off, and you can easily turn it on when you want to enable the setting again. So that's how you can turn off location on iPhone photos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.